just maybe explain a little bit about, because I think you had some involvement with the Rubin Observatory, a little bit about the kind of data that it's producing and whether that data is being used in THOR.
Absolutely. So the Vera C Rubin Observatory is a telescope that's now been built. It's down in Chile, and they're currently in a kind of a pre-operations phase or sorry, pre-survey phase where at some point in the near future, uh, the Vera C Rubin Observatory is going to conduct a legacy survey of space and time, which will be essentially this monumental effort to create a 10-year movie of the night sky. And so they're working towards getting that started. But we've already seen some of the early discoveries coming out from the Vera C Rubin Observatory. And so I believe the latest numbers, there's like maybe about 28,000 or so discovery candidates that they've already submitted to the Minor Planet Center, which is an enormous volume, even in just kind of this pre-survey phase that they're currently in. What makes the Vera Rubin Observatory so interesting is that it's an 8-meter piece of glass, and you attach to that piece of glass the world's biggest digital camera, and you let that camera just essentially just keep taking pictures over 10 years. And so latest estimates in terms of the discovery yield for the number of asteroids puts it, discovering about 4 million or so main belt asteroids. And for reference, right now we know of a total of 1.5 million asteroids across all different populations. So it'll actually increase the resolution with which we can see the solar system by a factor of a few. For the objects that get close to us, we're anticipating a factor of a few increase as well. So we know of about 40,000 or so near-Earth objects. By the end of LSST's 10 years, that number is meant to go above 100,000. So that's why we're also excited about this particular data set. And what we're doing with Asteroid Institute is we're actually going to be able to use THOR on Vera C Rubin data through ATOM, where we are actively going to be ingesting the detections, and we'll be able to find any additional asteroids that were not picked up by the traditional algorithms.